Hello everyone, let's solve some Leetcode today. So today we have Leetcode 2703, that is return the length of arguments passed. This question is so straightforward, I was thinking, is it real? Like, is it really existing on Leetcode? Yes, even though it is on easy category, but it does not use any data structures or algorithms at all. It just simply asks us to return the length of the arguments passed to a function. And so it is like one of the most straightforward question on Leetcode. Like, forget about easy, it's just straightforward. So yeah, let us try to discuss how we can solve this super amazing problem. You will have a function and it will have a few arguments like this. And you have to return the length of an argument. So how can you do that? Well, you can simply say args dot length and you simply return it. And yeah, that's how you can solve this question. So yeah, here's a super amazing and super complicated code. You have the args here and you have been returning the length of the args. That is the answer. Now, for some reason, this entire thing can only be done in JavaScript or TypeScript on Leetcode. I'm not sure why. Why can't you just go for C#? Now let's run it and see if it works. And yeah, our code runs in 35 milliseconds, beats 93.78% of Leetcode solution. How will it beat all of them? They are all the same solutions. But still, someone took the time to write 104 test cases for this question. Amazing. So now let us discuss the time and space complexity for this solution. So here you are actually returning the length of the args, which is going to be a property. So accessing the property is going to take the constant amount of time, no matter how many arguments have been passed here. The time complexity is order of 1. The space complexity is also order of 1 because we are not using any extra space, right? Our solution is very efficient. So yeah, if you have some kind of question that you would like me to tackle or you have some kind of topic that you would like me to talk about, then just let me know in the comments.